Good morning, Primary 2. Today's topic is entitled Connectors. But before starting talking about this topic, let's all stand up and let's energize ourselves.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. Move and Freeze from the award-winning CD Brain Boogie Boosters by The Learning Station. Come on, move and freeze. 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 Put your right hand on your left knee, your left hand on your right. Your knees move in and out, your hands stay tight. Now keep on with your moving, but switch hands on your knees. Keep on moving in and out till we say freeze. Come on, move and 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 freeze. Put one hand across your shoulder, one hand across your back. Now jump in place. Do you like it like that? Yeah! Now switch hands across your shoulders and switch hands across your back. Now just be nimble, just be quick, just like Jack. Come on, jump and freeze. 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 Everybody shake your body from your head down to your feet. And don't stop shaking until we stop the beat. Shake it to the east and shake it to the west. Shake it, shake it, shake it with my friends who are the best. Come on, shake and freeze. 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 Put your right hand on your head, your left on someone's knee. Now turn once in a circle and buzz like a bee. Now turn the other way, don't let go or lose your spot. Keep turning left, keep turning right until the music stops. Come on, turn and freeze. 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 All right, you can move now.
Okay, so what is really the meaning of connectors? So our objectives today refers to identifying. It's called identify and use connectors such as and, because, or, but in a sentence. So I'll use this pointer. Always remember that connectors like and, because, or, and but help to join two parts of a sentence. That means there are two sentences and we're going to connect them, join them. In other words, like bridge them. It refers to the bridge. Okay, let's see how it works. When are we going to use these connectors that we've mentioned, such as and, because, but, or? But actually, there are so many connectors in the English language, and they're very, very useful when we create our sentence. See, for example, and. It is simply stated here that and is used to join two ideas. For instance, can you help me? I need a jacket and a matching skirt. So the two things connected here is the jacket and the matching skirt. they are connected with the connector and. Number 2, we have because. Because is used to show reasons. For instance, I went out because the sun is shining. So what is the reason here? Because the sun is shining. Okay? So for giving reasons, we try to use because. The next one, but, is used to join two unlike ideas. And I want to emphasize on the word unlike. Unlike here doesn't mean dislike, but it refers to different ideas. Two different opposing ideas. For example, I want to go to the party, but I am so tired. So here, two sentences are being created, or two unlike ideas, like she wants to go to the party. It's a positive one. She likes it. But at the same time, she is tired. So negative. So two opposing ideas connected by the connector but. Next, or and either or. Now try to remember that sometimes it could be stated either. So either or either are both acceptable. And it's always partnered with or. And when you use or either or, they are used when there are two choices. Choices means you have options. You need to choose something. You have two things, but you need to choose one of them. And that is the meaning of or either or. Are you having dessert or coffee? I am having either ice cream or tart. Now, in this sentence, it simply means there are two options. We have the ice cream and the tart, but you have to choose one of them. Okay? You can also use or if you're asking questions. If you want the person to choose between two things, are you having dessert or coffee? So either one of them will be chosen. Now, as I said, we have already given the meaning of and, but, because, and the additional here is so. So is used to show the result, the outcome, what will happen if you do something. For instance, it is raining, so I take my umbrella. So the rain is here, so she or he needs to take the umbrella. Okay? Example, I studied very hard, so I passed the examination. So it gives result of what you did prior to that, and it gives you result. Okay? So I want you to pay attention in this video.
Yesterday, I went to bed early because I was really tired. But I couldn't sleep. It was too hot, so I opened the window. I tried to sleep, but a mosquito flew in. It was so annoying. Hi everyone! Welcome to S&J English. Today we will talk about two conjunctions which are often confused. So and because. Let's look at how they are used. Because.
Sorry for that, but I just want to take a moment on what she said. She mentioned about conjunctions. So remember, conjunctions and connectors are both used interchangeably, so meaning they're just the same.
So, result or action. I was tired, so I took a break. I was tired happened first. It is the reason for taking a break. Reasons come before so. Please note that we write a comma in front of so. It was very hot, so I opened the window. It was very hot happened first, and it's the reason for opening the window. Now, let's move to because. The structure is result or action, because, reason. I opened the window because it was very hot. I opened the window is the result of feeling hot. It's the action I took. Reasons come after because. Please note that we don't write a comma in front of because. Lucy is hungry because she didn't eat breakfast. Lucy is hungry is the result of not eating breakfast. Why didn't you come to work yesterday? Oh, because I went to play tennis. How was the game? It started raining, so we couldn't play. Why didn't you come to work yesterday? Because I went to play tennis. How was the game? It started raining, so we couldn't play.
Okay, now to understand better on the connectors, please make sure you type this quizzes.com and then you could actually practice about the topic today. Okay? Now, I also want you to work this one in advance. You can get your triple line notebook, but if you don't have a triple line notebook, you can have a piece of paper and make sure you write the numerals and words accordingly from 1 until 15. Now here is until 11, so you could continue to the next page. I just want you to ensure to write neatly always. So you have to post your work in Class Dojo. And the last day of the submission is on Friday, 18th of August. So please do adhere on the deadlines given. Thank you very much.